Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you smart security cameras over here. These cameras have human detection, weatherproof, easy to install. These are some of the features. Let's open the box and see what we have. Quick start guide, USB-A to USB-C cable. These are the bases for the cameras we can install on the wall or wherever you like. Let's check the cameras. Here is the first camera, USB-C input. Here is the area for reset button, at the same time TF card. Here is the speaker. Camera 2. Here we have the adapters. I have 2 more cameras and other stuff right there. I already installed the applications and I plugged all the adapters. Let's go ahead and plug them in one by one. Fourth one. All of them are on.
Camera is ready. Please add the camera in the app.
And let's go ahead and add the devices. We have K07. I'm going to connect it with Wi-Fi.
Code scan is successful.
There's the first
Connecting
one.
to the Wi-Fi. The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
Alrighty. As you can see, it is active. I will add the rest of the 3 cameras and come back. I added all 4 cameras on the application. First, second, third, and fourth. You can see all of them together, like this. As you can see, the quality is awesome. There's no lagging or distortion. Whenever there is motion, it's just giving you notification there's motion in front of the camera. Whichever the camera you want to look for, you're just going to press right there. That's going to take you over here. And when we check the application, we can go ahead and make it full screen. The quality is awesome, 2K. And you can change it to SD. Right now I'm going to use 2K. You can use two-way audio talk. Hello? Hello? You can take a picture. And you can record a video. Right now it is recording. When we check it out, there is alert. You can see all alerts here. And replay. You can go back in time and check. It is giving you SD card option, or you can use cloud. And here is light on, and siren. Triggered by motion also. Talk mode. Hold to talk or tap to talk. And device on or off. You can turn it off or turn it on. Let's check the settings. Cloud storage, device sharing. You can share the device with your loved ones. Motion alert, motion detection. Light and night vision. It has auto infrared mode, intelligent mode, light timing, all off mode. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cameras one by one in different locations and check it out. I put 4 cameras in different places. One is in the kitchen, right here. And this is what we see. And I'm going to show you the next one. It's in the living room. It's right here. And I'm right there. And I put one in the garage. Let's go there. Here we go. This is in the garage. And right here. Let's go there. I'm gonna make full screen. There you go. I'm gonna turn off the lights and see. Completely dark right now. I can't see anything. See? But the camera sees everything. Oh, check this out. This is amazing. We're gonna go ahead and walk around and see. And right right here. I can't see anything right now. The camera is right there. Infrared light. And here's the area that I can see. I can definitely suggest these cameras. It's because we have 4 cameras together, and it has two-way audio talk, and also it has LED lights. All cameras have 2K quality, and there is also motion detection. This is me in the room. I'm gonna go there and make it full screen. I will turn off the lights. Then I will turn on the camera's light. And night vision is activated. Let's go ahead and turn on the LED light. And see, light on. Okay. The camera's light, like that. Let's check it out here. You can see it better. We see almost everything. This is the color night vision. All in all, definitely suggest these. You can put it in the garage, in the kitchen area, or in the living room, or bedroom, or kids' room. That's it. You have everything you need. Your eyes everywhere.